Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 52 from Directorate of Education, class 10 subject science, and today we study about the dihybrid cross given by the Gregor Mendel. What is a dihybrid cross, student? A cross between the two plants having two pair of the contrasting characters are known as the dihybrid cross. For example, the seed color and the shape. And this is the answer of your first question. Who give this? Gregor Mendel. And what is the law of the independent assortment? According to the law of the independent assortment, student, when two pair of the traits are combined and segregation of one pair is independent of the another, and this is the answer of your second question, student. Now let's move to the dihybrid cross and how it makes and how we are able to perform that dihybrid cross in a easy Punnett square. What happens when the pea plant showing two different character rather than just one? What do the progeny with round seed and the short plants with the wrinkled seed? So there are so many questions, students, but we know the tallness and the round seeds are dominant traits. What are the dominant traits, student? The traits which express themselves are called dominant, and which are not expressing themselves in a proper way are called the recessive traits. And what is the Punnett square, student? Is it very important? The Punnett square can be effectively used to understand the independent segregation during the meiosis and the production of the egg in the F1 generation. So what is the Punnett square? This you have also include in your first answer. Now let's study the Punnett square about the dihybrid cross. Mendel take two characters, student, round yellow and wrinkled green. Round yellow he mentioned with the capital R and capital Y, and the small he mentioned with the small r and small y. These are the parental generation. And what are the gametes, student? The gametes are here capital R capital Y, and here the gamete is small r small y. And what is the F1 generation? F1 generation is the combo of the both. This is our F1 generation. Now what to do about the F2 generation? F2 generation is formed by the self pollination of the F1 generation. So what are the gametes of F1 generation? That is capital R capital Y, small r capital Y, capital R small y, small r small y, and these are the female. Same gametes are here for the male. And when these gametes are crossed together, like RY crossed with RY, then this RY crossed with the RY, then next one, and then next one. In the similar way, all the female gametes are crossed to the all male gametes, and we got a shape of the square, and this square is known as, student, the Punnett square. Now we have to calculate the shape and the color of the seeds formed by the Punnett square. So let's calculate with me. Firstly, we have to calculate capital R and capital Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now the next one is small r capital Y. 1, 2, 3. Now the next one is small r small y. Sorry, before that we have to write capital R small y. 1, 2, 3. Last one small r small y, that is only 1. So we get the ratio 9, 3, 3 ratio 1. Okay, students, this is the phenotypic ratio of that. Let's do practice some question. First, dihybrid cross and Punnett square, I told you. Second, the Mendel law, I always told you. And the last one question, we compare the ratio The number given us, that is 630 divided by 64, then 216 divided by 64, 202 when divided by 64, and 64 divided by 64. So student, we roughly get these ratio. So what is the answer of your last question? 9:3:3 ratio 1. I think this Punnett square is very important, student. If you practice on that Punnett square at your home by your NCERT book with different color, with different examples, by different taking two characters of a pea plant, then it will be useful for you and you would score good marks in your exam. So student, do practice of the Punnett square of the dihybrid cross. It is very important, and if you like that worksheet, please subscribe our channel Learning Light. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.